Did you know your serger can create decorative stitches, insert piping, and make a tassel? I'm pleased to introduce you to the Tabitha Tote Serger Bag. Learn how to create 2 different types of flat lock stitches, square off bag bottoms, create your own plaid, work with decorative threads, and more. This project showcases 7 different serger techniques, and you will stitch every inch of this bag on a serger. Now you will need to have the ability to create a cover stitch and a chain stitch and insert piping, which means you're going to need to have a specialty presser foot. Plus, you're going to stitch a 3-thread overlock plus chain stitch. So if you are unsure if your serger can make this bag, just ask. The pattern has 9 pages of detailed instructions, but if you learn best by video, you might consider treating yourself to the add-on video course. This 9-part course includes over 90 minutes of detailed video instruction with lifetime access. Need to see a step again? Just stop, rewind, and play back. Get your Tabitha Tote Serger Bag today, and don't forget to treat yourself to the add-on video course. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!